Oh my God, now I can't get in this freaking car. Good morning, guys. Johnny with Blazer Grass Lawn Care. Tuesday, March the 11th, and it's 9 o'clock at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. I am super late, but why? This is crazy, man. I'm telling you, this life. I get up this morning and my truck key decides to have a short, so I open the truck, open the door, and automatically it locks on its own. And so what happens is I have a Dodge 1500, and you know, for you guys that know Dodge, we have a key that goes inside of a shell, and the shell has a short, and for some reason I can't find my spare key. So I can't find my spare key. The truck is locking on its own, so you know, I mean, I have to go to work. So what I'm doing now is kind of, you know, keeping the key out with me, and then, you know, as soon as I open the door, the truck will lock on its own, but I have my key to get in. So hopefully throughout the day, guys, I don't forget. I don't know, I never leave the key in the truck and leave the truck unopened. So yeah, but I had to go over to the Dodge dealer, which is I want to say a couple of minutes away from the house, and order key. So the entire key is $356, but if you keep the little insert, the metal part, and just buy the shell, it's $235. I'm like, geez, man, $235 for a shell. I'm telling you, it's something else. It's something else. Everything is so freaking expensive, you know. But hey, it is what it is, right? What can you do? You gotta what? Suck it up and drive on. Hey, yeah. Now, issue number 2. I don't know, guys. You know, you guys like, what the heck is going on with Johnny today? No, Mother Nature. You know, Mother Nature likes to throw a curve at us, man. And it poured rain yesterday. I'm talking about from the day before, from Sunday all the way through Monday. Rain, 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 rain. So guess what? Everything is soaked. Everything is freaking soaked, right? So today, I know I will try to get out there and do something, but what's going on right now is I'm going to do some shrubs. I'm going to one of my customers where I trim the shrubs on a monthly basis, so that's where I'm going to. And the goal is, hopefully anyway, I can trim some shrubs and start, you know, because all my areas are kind of in the same area, drive around and see which properties I can do or I can't do. But you know, I have 10 on the books today. I had 12 on the books yesterday. Luckily, my commercial property is still a little bit dormant, so push come to shove, I can move all my Mondays to my Friday, and I can get it done like that. And then probably Saturday or Sunday, or even next week, I hit up my commercial property. So that's what's going on in my life right now, guys. So yeah, enjoy, stay with me, and see what develops. All right, so here we are, and those are the shrubs. Now I'll show you guys here in a few seconds. So take this off, and this is what I was talking about. The insert is good, but the jacket itself is it has a short. So I'll figure out, you know, I already ordered one, so all I have to do is take this out, the key, and just stick the other one in. But just the shell, man, is 200 and something, man. I'm like, geez. The things we do. But yeah, look at this, guys. This is everything is wet. Everything is wet. And it's currently 47 degrees. And it's supposed to be 73, 74 today. All right, so I'm gonna have to spray the beds, but these are lower pedlums, and I'm not gonna trim these until they finish blooming. But the beds definitely got to be sprayed. Yeah, this is too much water. I mean, they're not that bad. Yeah, matter of fact, over there, yeah, those are azaleas. Man, now you see the beds. I can't spray the beds until, and I just took over the maintenance for the beds, okay? And I can't spray that. Ooh, something is in there digging. That's an armadillo. I'll definitely let them know. You see that? That's an armadillo right there. Yup. Oh, it's not that bad, but you can tell. You see that? That's the sign of an armadillo. All right, and these beds got to be sprayed, but you know, walking around, I think, well, this is a lesson, guys. You walk around the property, and I guess I don't need to. Doing those two big ones, I'll come back and do those because I don't have a ladder. But yeah, they don't need it right now. These shrubs, no, they're just a little bit. No, I give it another probably next month. But definitely have to spray the beds, and I'll be back on Friday because I usually do this one on Friday or Thursday. So I'll wait until it dries up because as you guys can tell, this is extremely too wet. So as far as I can see, guys, yeah, it's not looking good right now, but that's okay. We take this scenario and I don't want to be, yeah, here you go. We take this scenario and we learn from it. I will say if a situation like this happens where it rains a lot, still take the initiative and drive out and look at your properties and see what you can get done. But as you guys can tell, I can't get anything done today because the issue is, as you can tell, everything is super wet. And now check this out. I didn't lock this, right? And look, it's locked. So no, open. Oh my God, now I can't get in the freaking car. Did you guys see that? Today's not my day, but you know what can you do, right? You just gotta laugh about it.
I have like a water bottle. I'll brush my teeth and rinse with a water bottle.
Let me turn this off. Oh man, Listen, I'm glad that I showed you guys and I was recording, because trying to tell you guys what was happening is crazy. Now, it's 48 degrees right now, and it's supposed to be 74 today. Welcome to the South. So, yeah, what a video for the day, huh? I can't get anything done. Yeah. All right, guys. This is it. I guess I'm gonna drive around. I'm not gonna even waste my time, because the reality is everything is so soaked that I can't get anything done, and these shrubs don't need to be done. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pop smoke. Peace.